Hello, and welcome to the Cocoon demo. In this demo, I will show you how to use Cocoon to organize your SaaS business data into a catalog, helping you and your AI chatbot better understand the data. To begin, we need to install Cocoon, prepare the large language model API, and connect to your data warehouses. We have a query widget available that allows you to visualize the tables in the databases for this SaaS business. You will see many tables, such as payment tables from Stripe and opportunity tables from Salesforce. These tables could contain hundreds of columns, which can be overwhelming for humans to understand and navigate. So we'll use Cocoon to help you better organize the data sources. For access control, Cocoon needs write access only to a schema you specify. It will create the catalog in the form of a DBT project. First, we select all the tables we want for the project, and then we're going to explore and clean all tables one by one. Let's interactively clean one table and we'll express clean the rest. To begin, Cocoon will ask you which columns you want to include. And it will automatically exclude some fivetran columns that are only used to record the ingestion timestamp. Then, it will generate a summary to provide a high-level overview of your table, helping you understand each column better and rename them based on best practices. It will then dive deeper into each column. It understands the meanings and patterns of each column and recommends new data types. For instance, the available date and creation timestamp columns are currently stored as strings, but they should be better represented as dates or timestamps. We can accept the cast, and it will automatically write the SQL query to perform the cast. We can test the cast to verify the correctness. Then, it will help you identify the missing values and analyze whether these missing values are acceptable or not. For instance, account IDs are not applicable for transactions without connected accounts. For those missing values that are not acceptable, you can choose different strategies to handle them. It will then propose tests like column uniqueness and column category for you. The final result is a YAML file that documents the table based on all the analysis we performed, and a SQL query that cleans these tables. So we have just cleaned one table. Let's express clean the rest. Now that we have cleaned all the tables, we can perform different operations to better format them. Let's materialize the tables and understand how these tables are related. First, we identify the slowly changing dimensions among these tables. These slowly changing dimensions are tricky to query, so we will try to take the latest snapshot to simplify the table. Next, it will identify the primary keys and foreign keys among these tables. It will connect these tables and provide a join graph. This offers a much better view, but is still confusing regarding the business process behind these tables. Finally, we will model these tables by creating entity relationship models. We will cluster the tables into different entities and relations and tell the story behind them. Salesforce users convert leads into contacts and opportunities. Salesforce users create and manage Salesforce accounts. Salesforce users associate contacts with accounts. Salesforce users track opportunities for accounts, and so on. Such a story provides a much better understanding of how this data relates to the business process behind it. This catalog is not only helpful for humans to understand data, but also helps your AI chatbot. For instance, if you ask your AI chatbot a question like, "What is the average lifetime value of our customers?" it can start understanding from the high-level story of the business process. It identifies all the related relations and entities, then discovers the most relevant tables for your question, understands how these tables are joined together, and finally dives deeper into the columns to finalize the draft of the SQL query. This overview and zoom-in process over the catalog provides much higher accuracy and makes it easy for humans to verify the thinking process. And this concludes the demo. Thank you.